To open a Fifth Third bank account, start by gathering the necessary documents, including a valid government-issued ID, social security number, and proof of address. You can apply online, by phone, or in person at a Fifth Third bank branch. First, go to the Fifth Third bank website and click on the Accounts tab. Then select the type of account you want to open, such as checking or savings. Click on the Apply Now button and fill out the online application form with your personal and financial information. If you prefer to apply by phone, call the Fifth Third Bank customer service number and a representative will guide you through the application process. To apply in person, visit a Fifth Third Bank branch and speak with a banker who will help you complete the application. Once you have submitted your application, Fifth Third Bank will review it and may request additional documentation to verify your identity and address. After your account is approved, you will receive a debit card and checks, if applicable, and you can set up online banking and mobile banking to manage your account. To fund your new account, you can make a deposit at a Fifth Third Bank branch, by mail, or through a mobile deposit. It is essential to review and understand the account terms and conditions, including any fees and interest rates, to ensure you are getting the most out of your account. As a best practice, make sure to monitor your account activity regularly and set up account alerts to notify you of any suspicious transactions. You can also take advantage of Fifth Third Bank's online resources and customer support to help you manage your account and achieve your financial goals. By following these steps and tips, you can successfully open and manage a Fifth Third Bank account and enjoy the benefits of convenient and secure banking. Remember to always keep your account information and login credentials secure to protect your financial information.